What's the most disrespectful thing a customer ever said to me? It happened when I was slinging coffee at a busy downtown cafe. This woman, all designer clothes and a scowl, ordered a double shot, extra hot, soy latte with no foam. I made it perfectly, even added a little latte art swan. As I handed it to her, she just stared at it, then at me and said, "Is this your best?" Because it looks like a kindergartner sneezed in my cup. And your smile. It's faker than my husband's alibis. I just froze. My manager, who'd heard everything, walked over, gently took the cup and said, "Ma'am, our kindergartner barista is actually quite talented. Perhaps you'd prefer a simpler, less artistic beverage like water." The customer's face went from rage to utter shock, as he then promptly refunded her and told her to leave. Best boss ever.